posted a video for my business, spent 2 days on it, and it only got 11 views, while 6 of it was just me. And the worst part, I had no idea what went wrong. Here's what nobody tells you about the video. Was it the bad lighting, or the weak opening, or the audio wasn't just good enough? But your viewers feel it before they can explain it, and they're gone through 8 seconds of the video so far. And the thing is, you cannot fix what you cannot see. So I built something I actually needed. It's called Daytabs, and it acts like that brutally honest friend that actually knows what they're talking about. You just upload the video and it analyzes it completely. From lighting and brightness to even your background details. It catches everything and it tells you exactly what you need to do. Most tools just score your video, while Daytabs acts like that expert and tells you what exactly you need to do. So if you're making a video for your business and you want to get the numbers higher, try Daytabs today. Upload your first video and see what you've been missing.